Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back. I'm still in Calgary, guys. Been living in an hotel for the past week and a half. Excruciating. I kind of miss home now. But I'll be going back home in another couple days. Thankfully. Now, you guys may be wondering, what am I doing, or what are we doing? Yeah, you guys may be wondering, what am I doing in Calgary if we're looking at apartments? Well, actually, no. I'm still working, guys. You guys may be wondering, what am I doing in Calgary? If we're moving to Calgary, the answer is no. We're not moving to Calgary, but I'm actually in Calgary for work. So you guys did not know, but I recently changed my jobs. I'm now working with a different bank, different position, different everything. So I'm actually here on a workshop in Calgary, which has been fully paid for by the bank that I'm currently working for. So Nats and my family was able to come with me as well. So I'm about to catch a cab to go to work. I'll catch you guys later. Here's my cab. Morning, man. How are you?
Good. You order for cab from here?
Yep, that's me. Cab number 835.
Calgary is much better by all means.
It can't be worse than Grand Prairie in terms of weather.
No.
Grand Prairie weather is horrible, but
No, but this one you get a Chinook, like about minus 30
that
one
is
day.
it.
Next day you get a plus 10.
That is it.
Just feels good.
But it's so expensive here, though.
Better you get in, so better off you are. So
Yeah.
when I move here, you know, this is a case. Wherever you are, where you go, there is, first you're gonna say, oh, this is expensive. But
Yeah.
when you live there, when you're here, you make your money here, you spend your money here.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. Like you earn enough to cover your bills.
Yeah.
That's always the case. Because
Exactly.
like persons who say Grand Prairie is expensive too.
Yeah, go to small town and they say, oh, Grand Prairie, that's so expensive.
Yeah.
So it's relatively, I used to live in London, England.
Okay.
And London, England, like today's standard, is just extremely expensive. But when I was there, I don't notice nothing.
Yeah.
I make money there, I spend money there. And
You're earning those pound sterlings.
Yes.
You spend it back.
Those pounds there, really good.
Yeah.
And going from here to there now, you cut your money in half and you don't like it.
Oh man. So you lived in London. That means you're a Chelsea fan.
Yes. I was just too busy working.
If I go to the UK, I'm heading to one spot, and that's straight to Manchester. I'm a Manchester United fan, wholeheartedly.
I think they're the most well-known team around the world, I think.
Yeah,
Manchester
it's
United. Everybody knows that. Everybody. Those who don't have a clue about the soccer, they remember. They don't know that place too. So that,
Yeah, and where are you from initially?
Pakistan.
Pakistan, okay, awesome. I got a few Pakistani friends in Grand Prairie, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Just tell them what you're doing there. Just get out of there.
I went to school with a few,
So Grand Prairie is Saskatchewan, right?
No, Grand Prairie is Alberta.
Still Alberta? Oh,
Still Alberta.
Near border, I think.
Near the border, it's close to BC.
Oh, it's in that side.
It's like
I heard it, but I've never been there.
1 hour out of town takes you to the Alberta BC border.
Oh.
So drive for 1 hour and then you're in a totally different time zone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like I was in Medicine Hat, east of Calgary, 3 hours yesterday, and it just like nothing. It's boring and everything. Just,
So 3 hours south of Calgary?
yeah.
Okay.
East of Calgary.
East of Calgary, okay.
Yes, in small town, racist. The lady I picked up, she said, we're racist. There's lots of redneck people around here.
You know what? Like, there's so many racism in Alberta, in different places.
No. Alberta is a great place.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You guys been busy?
Oh, not too much.
Not too much.
What difference do you think national standards can make in the lives of seniors who are living right now? Well, the standards really
All right, so I did change jobs, different bank, different position, different everything, but things is going really, really great. Now, it's very important. I'm sharing this, guys, so to make a point, as immigrants, it's very, very important for us to not be comfortable, right? Now, a lot of times we find ourselves in positions that might cause us to feel comfortable, but we're here for one reason, and that is to create a better lives, not only for ourselves but also for our family. So irrespective of where you might find yourself, always be looking for a better opportunity, right? Now, it's very, very, very key for you to be looking for that opportunity, because it always equals to growth, and growth is never a bad thing. So definitely take that into consideration, right? Now, if I didn't change banks, probably I would not be here in Calgary, enjoying the city, at least not yet, all right? But nonetheless, guys, always be positive, always put your best foot forward, and always go for it. Morning, man, how are you? I'm good. Yeah, so always be positive and always put one of your best foot forward, right? We leave our warm country to come to this country to make a better life, dealing with this cold. As you guys can see, it's not very warm. Now, I'm not even wearing a jacket, guys, because this is nothing compared to Grand Prairie, but nonetheless, it is still cold, right? So we have to be thankful, we have to be grateful, but most importantly, we have to be positive. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this little short video. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, drop a comment, share if possible. See you guys in the next video, okay?